British Columbia has a reputation for torrential rainstorms and atmospheric rivers as we roll into winter. As I am not one to shy away from a battle with the elements, it is time to go camping. Alright guys, we have a crazy weekend planned. However, the weather is definitely not cooperating and I need to catch a ferry this morning. A couple of the ferries last night were actually canceled and the storms have not let up. So I'm gonna go and see if I can get on the ferry this morning to get off the island. All right, we have made it to the ferry terminal, guys. That was quite a drive. It was absolutely pouring rain. The ferries are running, so we're gonna be able to meet up with the Epic crew and Sean and Justin, and I heard a rumor that the Ginger might actually be out, so we'll see. I haven't been camping with the Ginger in a couple of years.
Start it up!
As I make my way into the mountains where I will be spending the next couple of days, let me take a quick second to introduce myself. My name is Casey, and every week you will find new videos on my YouTube channel where I take my Jeep on epic adventures, spend time in the garage installing mods, and occasionally reviewing off-road and camping products. I invite you to join us here if you are enjoying the video so far, and help me with my massive goal of growing the channel to over 100,000 subscribers. If you want to help support me making these videos, you can unlock bonus content by becoming a channel member or by grabbing some merch over at dirtyanddangerous.com.
Hey, found you in the wrong spot. Made it. Oh,
there's a creek in the way.
There's a see that. Hey. Yeah, what's going on? You want to back up? Crazy. Well, I think this is the wrong way. I'm fairly confident. Based on, it's nicer over there.
Right, so we gotta turn around and then take that fork?
Yeah, let's do it.
Fork it up, bro. Fork it up, bro.
Let's do it. Oh, hey! You don't even get out.
Doesn't even get out.
It rained. Go to a lot of things. I'm better in building.
All right, we gotta turn around because where we're heading is the other way. Now that we've found the crew, we can go do some camping. So we've got the Trail Destroyer behind us with its fresh new wrap. The Epic boys are in Swim Shady.
We're gonna be close to that fly spot, right?
And Justin B. McBride has made the trip up from the beautiful state of Utah to come experience the ridiculous rain of the British Columbia rainforest.
This is very jungly. I feel like we're about to invade the enemy's camp or something.
Was looking pretty good on the drive in here, but well, it's pouring rain again. We're actually going to be camping at a lake we've camped at is it 2 or 3 years ago? There's a video on channel where we came up here. This was all snow. This whole trail was snow, and the lake was completely frozen over. I think we were up here in January or something like that. It's super cool. And then Sean lost his drone in the middle of the frozen lake and had to come back with a boat with Teddy and rescue it. But hey, that's a different video. We're gonna be out here for a couple nights, so we don't have a planned destination for tomorrow night, but there are tons of cool places to explore up here. So we'll be heading out in the morning and spending another night, hopefully in less rainy conditions. Hopefully.
We just got a small tree down.
It's a good sign having to clear that tree. Means that there's probably nobody else up here. I do believe this is our turnoff. No, I don't think this is it. Further up.
This trail's so much easier without like 2 meters of snow.
There is snow. A little bit of snow on the side.
Oh, yeah, there is snow.
The snow line was really low coming through Whistler. This was the first time I camped in a rooftop tent. That was when we came up here. Oh boy, look at this though. Look at that lake. Boy, oh boy. That's pretty nice. Now that we're done setting up camp, because it was super nice when it was frozen. This is absolutely gorgeous when it's not frozen as well, but if it stops raining, I'll send the drone out. However, I'm a little reluctant to send it out because I literally just got it back yesterday. Well, what's the verdict? It's wet. It sucks. This light that looks like it's from a fire is from that. This is a tough one to get started, guys. We found some dry wood here. Trying to use. Brought some wood, but it's not properly seasoned and it's green. So that's not working. And we just can't get her to go. We're up. It's the morning. It was a really wet night last night. It was pouring rain. It started getting worse after the sun went down. It just started pouring rain like crazy. But Sean, Justin, the Ginger, and Paul had been out last night as well, so they were camping with wet gear to start with. But it's not raining right now. Sean was having some water leaking in his tent where he had the wires coming through for solar. Justin finally got his diesel heater working after he's had a fuel line issue with it. So he was troubleshooting that all evening. Finally got it working, but he should be dried out now. He had some challenges with water as well. Paul and Christian, they left and they decided that they would rather do the 4-hour drive home at around 9 o'clock than stay another night in the rain. We're supposed to stay out one more night. That was the goal. Go find another campsite, refuel Sean's Howl campfire, because we burned through a 20-pound propane tank. They used it one night. We used the rest of it last night, so that was quite handy because we could not get a fire going no matter what. It's like super beautiful. It's like got that alpine greeny or emeraldy color to it. I answer the question all the time, but I know there's people that don't watch the videos all the time. What am I using for a coffee machine? This is an espresso machine. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Well, that's annoying. Tried to fly the drone and whatever problem it was having before, it's still having problems. This was a brand new drone I just got back from DJI. Malfunction, I don't know what was happening. It was flying perfectly and then all of a sudden it just started drifting. I don't know if there's a problem with my controller. It was only up for about 3 minutes. It wasn't raining, it wasn't wet, there was no fog. It's time to go. nice balmy 3 degrees here at 11 a.m. Just so you guys know, it's not warm. Definitely not a warm day. We're right on the fringe of snow, as you guys saw with the mountains there. The snow line is just barely above us. Driving update. We are repositioning out
Here comes the rain.
of the valley to try to escape the rain. As you can hear, just Sean on the radio. Here comes the rain again. The pass that we're heading to, I have not been through because there's been so much snow on the time that twice that we checked it out, and then Sean checked it out last winter again, and then the snow gets so deep. So we're hoping we can get through it. I don't think there'll be snow yet on the pass, which would be good, and we can get all the way down to the ocean, which would be super cool. However, they are calling for snow tonight, so it might be a little squirrely getting up in the morning, but we have decided to stay out another night. Need me either. All right, after a little bit of driving on the highway, we have found dirt once again. Just gonna air down quick. Just a reminder, guys, we are trying to hit 100,000 subscribers, so if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and go check out some of the merch at dirtyanddangerous.com. Headed up into the pass. This section of road is littered with danger falling rock signs. Looks like it's been taken out in previous rainstorms, and it is currently a flooded trail if I've ever seen one. Holy moly, look at that.
Mountainside is coming down here.
Just said the whole mountainside's coming down. Yeah, this place is a mess. This is the smoothest bit of FSR that I've been on in a while. This has been all rebuilt and graded. Oh yeah, there's the equipment right there. Look at that. I don't think I could find a better place to give you an example of coastal rainforests. It's coming through here. The clouds, the rain, ferns, the moss, trees, super green and lush. This is West Coast, BC. Holy moly. River is raging as we come over the bridge. So we got a bit of snow touching the edges of the trail here. Get up into elevation. Let's check our elevation here in a second. Snow is picking up quick as we approach 1,000 meters. We're at 780 meters, about 2,100 feet. And the snow is here. We've just hit 2 degrees Celsius, so guessing overnight we'll see cooler temperatures. I think the crest of this pass at 800 meters. We came up to this before. This took us all day to get to this point, just up here a little bit, and we gave up because the snow was so deep. We were on top of the snow, and it was still burying our Jeeps. This is where we called it quits last time, right here.
Yeah, this is usually as far as you can get in the snow. It's impossible to get over the snow.
And it's super deep, and you gotta come up over this hump as you come out of the pass, and then it's downhill from here. But the 800 meter mark is where the most snow is. It looks like we're okay today, early in the season. We're here in the middle of November. Oh man, it's a bumpy road though. There is no shortage of water coming down as we get closer to the sea level here. We're at 350 meters and everything is absolutely flooded.
Tight down here at the end. You may want to go to that last opening there. I may want to as well, and then we can have a campfire over here if we're going to. It's actually kind of windy right here.
Yes, I am overlanding with an umbrella. That is the end of the line. Holy moly. That is windy and wet.
It is very wet.
That is super wet. Holy smokes. This is the water. This is like being on the ocean right now with all this rain and wind.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Like,
All right, guys. I guess we gotta set up some camp. It's wet and try to put the tent up. So see how not wet we can be putting it up. Alright guys, that was an absolutely crazy night. Pouring, just torrential, all night long. The spot we camped at, look at this, the whole area. We're out on a little outcropping over the water. It's super nice. Cool way to start the day. So, we are just wrapping up. Everybody's wet, everybody's cold. Justin has to head back down to beautiful state of Utah here, and he needs to get going as early as he can. And well, I need to get back to the island because I'm cold and wet. It'd be nice to get home, but I am glad we decided to stay out one more night rather than call it last night. Because remember, we're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. 70% of people watching the videos aren't subscribed. If you guys could just take a quick second, hit that subscribe button, I appreciate it a ton. Let's get to 100K. Leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the next video.